Hello everyone! Today we are trying a quick way to create a survey for employee engagement using the Quiz and Survey Master plugin. Consider me as a team leader of a product development team. I'm responsible to keep my coworkers engaged to work and making sure they're always trained well for getting better results from them. I'm creating a survey for my team members on my WordPress site. I have created a dummy WordPress website using InstaWP. This is the finest platform to create a disposable WordPress website and test your ideas and tools for free. Here, you can build a quick WordPress website in no time by just clicking a button. I have already installed the QSM plugin on the website. To learn how to install and configure the QSM plugin on your website, click on the information card in the top right corner of this video. Let's start by creating a survey form. Number 1 is hover over QSM, then click on Quizzes or Surveys. Once you click on Create New Quizzes or Surveys or Add New button, we'll see a collection of themes for the survey. QSM is a collection of stunning themes, but I don't require a theme for this survey, so let's go with the default theme and click on Next. Now, on the quiz setting page, we get an option for the initial setup of our form. I'm setting a name for the form and selecting what kind of form we are using. You can even set up a time limit on your survey if required, and you could select if you wish to show your survey only to the logged-in users. In my case, I don't need those, so I'm just skipping those and clicking on Next. Now comes the add-ons section, where we get to see the popular add-ons of QSM. You could select any add-ons as per your requirements to add more features to your forms, quizzes, or surveys. Currently, I don't need any feature add-ons, so let's click on Create Quiz. And lastly, we have reached the Questions tab where we can enter our questions for our customers. Let's start by entering some questions into our survey. Let's start with the first one, where I want to check about the job role. This will help me understand which designation needs my constant attention. After entering the question, select a type of question from the drop-down on the right-hand side. I am taking multiple choice type question here. If you want, you can mark the question as required so that the user can't skip the question. Click on Save Question to save the question. My first question is saved. Let's create another question by clicking on Create a New Question at the bottom of the Questions tab. As an alternative, you could click on the Duplicate button on the Question tab to duplicate the complete question or just the type of question. In the second question, I want to check which department is a team member's from, as I have multiple team members from various departments of the company. I'm selecting the drop-down type question. After entering the question, it's time to save the question. Let's move on to the next question by clicking on Create New Question or Duplicate Question. Here, I want to check if the team members can see some growth in their career levels. I'm selecting this as a multiple choice type question so that my team members can select the suitable answer amongst the given choices. Once done, save the question. Now in the last question, I want to check if they are satisfied with the training provided with them. In this question, I'm repeating the process as did in the previous question. Once done, save the question. All the questions are saved. It's time to set up a contact field to collect the details of the applicants. Click on Add New Field, select the field type, and label it as Full Name. Let's add another contact field to take email addresses. Select the field type as an email and label it as email address. Then, click on the Save Contact field. Now our question for the survey is set and the contact field is configured. Let's preview our survey by clicking on the preview icon at the top right corner of the page. Wonderful! Our employee engagement survey works like a charm. That's all for this video. How do you plan on using QSM Plugin? Let us know in the comments section. Stay tuned for new tips on using QSM Plugin. Until next time, stay safe. Bye-bye.